Container Food Gardening by Pam Farley. All the know-how you need to grow veggies, fruits, herbs, and other edible plants in pots. With good soil and the right pots, veggies can be grown on a balcony, deck, or porch as successfully as ground planting. With enough sun, bush beans, eggplant, garlic, okra, squash, and tomatoes will thrive. But even in a shady spot, leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard will do just fine. In this book, in the First Time Gardener series, Pam Farley of the Brown Thumb Mama website charts the vegetables, herbs, and fruit grown in containers with recommendations for the size of pot or planter. Container fruit ranges from apple, cherry, and fig, and pear trees to blackberry and raspberry bushes, low-growing strawberries, and vining fruit like cantaloupe, grapes, and watermelon. Herbs include sun-loving basil, marjoram, rosemary, and lemongrass, as well as shade-tolerant mint and oregano.